it's me, Kitty, from Slime Masters. Look what I got for a present. I got butter. Very hard and stuck together butter. But shall I tell you what it actually is? It's slime! Yes, I did get this for a present. Oh, stay in. Sorry. Foam beads are flying everywhere. It's crunchy. Oh my god. These sequins, mostly these sequins are flying everywhere. Who knows what these are called? Because I'm so confused what their names are. This is another one. Ooh, come out there. Stuck in. Oh, okay. And there are foam beads in here. Little foam beads, a bit squishy. I'm also doing another video today with squishies. Because I've got four squishies. 3 little ones and 1 huge one. It's not like this big. It's about bigger than the smaller ones, I guess. And tomorrow I'm getting more, so I can show you another video of that tomorrow. Ow! I got poked. Guys, these are a bit sharp. Where's that little star gone? There it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the ends of these little ones, spiky. Oh my gosh, there are loads of these. I have to take some out. They hurt. These little things. At the end, they're poking you as well. No, but I love you. These foam beads and all are flying out because I don't really like it in there. This slime is not sticky. I like it sometimes when they're a bit sticky, so all these can fly in easily. Sorry about the hair. It's a bad hair day today. Oh, there's another one. Ow, golly gosh, these hurt. This is like